Excellency, I have the honor to present His Excellency Mr. F.M. Borhan Uddin, the non-resident High Commissioner of the People's Republic of Bangladesh to the Republic of Fiji.
Good morning, Excellency. I, F.M. Borhan Uddin, extend my sincere thanks and gratitude to you for accepting me as Bangladesh High Commissioner to Fiji. I also take this opportunity to convey the warm greetings from my President, Honorable Mohammad Shahabuddin, and also from my Chief Advisor of the Interim Government, Honorable Professor Muhammad Yunus. With this, I would like to present my credentials and also the letter of recall of my predecessor to Your Excellency.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. On behalf of the government of Fiji and your members of the Entourage, I'm pleased to receive your credentials.
Thank you so much.
And I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and a successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency Mohammad Shahabuddin and the people in the government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace, and prosperity, Your Excellency. Once again, I wish you on your appointment as the non-resident High Commissioner to the People's Republic of the People's Republic of Bangladesh to Fiji. Your Excellency, in acknowledging the strong diplomatic relationship shared between the two countries, it is usually or mostly based on the mutual understanding and respect for sovereignty. Fiji recognizes Bangladesh as a development partner, and we look forward to working closely with you in your supporting our efforts to meet our development needs and aspirations, especially in the employment and labor mobility sector. Most welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.